Today I was awarded the jacket and hat and signed for the Million Miler Club. I think it would look neat to put that jacket in a frame and to put it on the wall to display at our office.
It's a neat thing to have that million miles on so many engines.
The Million Mile truck or award I think is awesome, and that again speaks to the reliability and durability of the Cat engines. We've got 10 trucks now, all of them were Kenworths, and I think that's a great combination. Kenworth and Caterpillar, million-plus miles, and are still going strong. We're still using them in the fleet.
I mean, we've even sold some that have had 1 million miles, and I think it means a lot for his company.
I think Caterpillar engines enable us to go 1 million miles because they are built sturdy. They're strong, they don't cut corners, they build on a solid platform with heavy-duty components to make the engines last. What makes us want to keep overhauling Cat engines? Well, we like their performance. We've got a truck that's holding up and an engine that is still solid, so when it needs an overhaul, we're just happy to overhaul it and send it back out on the road, and we know it'll be reliable.
These engines, we just rebuilt one that has 1.4 million miles on it, and when it came out of the rebuild, as we've seen with other rebuilds, we have full confidence that it's going to just run for a very long time.